Hi guys, today we'll see in animations in Scratch. So that is various options which are available in the Scratch application. That is first one, say something, fly around, go right and left, go up and down, changing costume, glide from here and there, grow and shrink, changing backdrop, adding a sound. So these are the various options which are available in Scratch application that we are going to study one by one. Okay, by studying these things, you can make use of these options with when you are developing any of the games or interactive applications. Then you can make use of these options. So let us start understanding how you are going to do these options. Okay, first one, say something. So this sprite itself wants to say something to the user. First event, drag and drop. Next, say hello. So in the looks option there is a command called say hello. Okay, suppose something else if you want to type. I am Kitty. So check. See, hello, I am Kitty. It's telling. Okay, telling I am Kitty. This is about the first option. Okay. Second one is fly around. Okay. Just make use of the another sprite. Fly around. Okay. Select the event. Okay, fly around. Okay, glide. Not this one. Make use of the random position. Means it should fly around. See here? So like this. Suppose if we want to continuously, it should happen. Make use of the forever. Okay. So that flying will be continuous till we press the stop button. Next option, go left and right. So make use of the one more sprite. Okay. Select the event. Fine. Next, go left and right. Not this event. Here only. When left arrow. Fine. And left arrow. Change X. Left means negative direction. See? Negative direction. It's a left side. Okay. Now if you want right arrow, means it will be the positive direction. Yeah, positive direction. So if you press the left arrow, it will go in a negative direction. If you press the this one, right arrow, it will go to the positive direction. So as I told, x coordinates. Okay, minus means left side. If you provide with the positive, then plus. So default will be the positive. If we change it to the negative, it will move towards the left side. If we change towards the, if you want to change towards the plus side or the positive direction, give the plus symbol. Now if you want this square should move up and down, duplicate, up arrow, change y. Up means towards the positive direction, down means towards the negative direction. Fine. So positive means up, down means negative. So up, left, oh, this one is up, down. Fine. Up, left, down, right. So these are the up and up. This is up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow options. Next one is changing the costumes. Choose a sprite. Select, I am selecting butterfly. Okay. Select the event. Next, switch costume, which is available in the, okay, in the looks tab, the switch costume. So various costumes which are default, we can make use of those default costumes. Costume is the appearance of the particular sprite. If you want to change, even you can do it. That I have shown you already in my previous videos. Now, wait 1 second. Fine. Okay. Here. See, it's changing the costume. Okay. Just for understanding purpose, I have changed the event. Here, so changing the costume. So if it wants to continuously happen, we are going to make use of the forever loop. Fine. See? Fine. Okay. Next one is glide from here and there. Glide from here and there. Okay. Select the any sprite you want. Make use of the cat itself. Okay. Okay. When you click on this, it should glide. Initially set go 0, 0. Fine. Next, glide. Where is glide? Here. Okay. Then pick random. So 0, 0. minus 170, 170. So here, see here, fine. Means this is the x coordinates. It will be lies in the range of minus 242 plus 240. So y coordinates will be in the range of minus 182 plus 180. You can give any values within that ranges. It will pick by itself. That sprite will pick itself and it will move or it will glide randomly. This is about the this is about the glide from here and there. Then grow and shrink, next option. Grow and shrink. Okay, select whichever the sprite you want. When this sprite is being clicked, next set size. It should grow and it should shrink. Set size 125. Sound, set the sound. Okay. See here. It's increasing and it's decreasing. This is about the grow and shrink option in Scratch. Next one is switching of the backdrops. Now if you want, the backdrops should be switched from one backdrop to another backdrop. Select the backdrop over here. First I will select blue sky. Another backdrop I will select. Okay. This like this. Now select the event. Next look, switch host. This is switch backdrop. Wait for a second. Fine. Okay, now check. Okay, see here you change. Blue sky. After 3 seconds it will change to boardwalk. So this is about the backdrop changing. So when you change the backdrop, if you want something should happen, something should get changed, like some message should be displayed. That also you can do. Say here, check. Now see, changing. Something should occur over here. Something. See, see, hello. So simple message. It will be there. It will display for 2 seconds. If you want to increase, you can do it also. Till 5 seconds it will be there. Next one is adding sound. Select the sprite, whichever the sprite you want. Now select something, some useful, sprite you select. This sprite wants to, it will adding a sound to this sprite. Now how? Select event when green flag button has been clicked. Okay. When green flag is clicked, next costume sound, now record. Directly from here you can record. Another option I will show you. Hi friends, I am giraffe. I love to eat leaves. Okay, bye. Something. Save. And in a code you can change. Recording 1. Something you can see. So this is one way of recording. If you want to record another way, okay, here sounds, this click on this tab, then okay, so these are all the various options which are available. So choose a sound. From here you can select the sound which are already shown. Second, record from here also. Hi friends. Select. Save. From here you can select. Recording 2. Now click. Okay, again it's a see, this is recording 2. This is about the adding sound. So these are the various options which are available in the Scratch, which we have covered. So these are the like animations in a Scratch, like something fly around, go right and left. So these are all the various options which we have covered. And make use of these options whenever you are developing any of the games, animations, interactive stories. Then you can make use of these options. Our channel is Scratch Tutorials. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.